Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie, aka J Money MUA, and today we are doing a tie-dye video. This kid is not cooperating with me today. Alright guys, so we're just not gonna mind my hair today. It's super humid outside and my hair was just not cooperating, so we're just not gonna mind that. So today I made some tie-dye shirts for Santi and I, and they came out super cute. And it was so easy to make too. So let me show you guys the shirts that I made. Two of them are matching for me and Santi. So the first matching one, I'm sorry if you guys can't really see it because of the lighting, but this one's like a yellow, and it's like I did them all pastel colors because I don't really love the like really bright, you know what I mean, like really dark colors. So I did them all pastel. And I love how they turned out. And then the matching one for me, you can kind of see this one better. I did a lime green. They just came out super cute. And I love how light the colors are. Like that's really what I was going for, and they came out so good. And then mine. And the last one was this one. I mixed pink and purple for this one, and I love how it turned out. This one's my favorite one. And then Santi's was the little blue one that he had in the intro. Those are the shirts that I made. If you guys want to see how I made them, then continue watching. This is the tie-dye kit that I got. It came with 10 colors. So these are all the colors that it came with. These are all the colors that it came with, and then it also came with rubber bands and gloves. I think I'm just going to be using these colors. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of them, but we will see. So I'm going to start with Santi's little shirts. And I got him a pack of 5 like little white tees from Amazon. They were really cheap. I forget how much it costed, but I'm sure it wasn't more than like $10. So that's that. I got my bowl of water. I'm gonna start with the green for Santi's. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna soak my little shirt in water. Squeeze it out. I'm gonna move this to the side. So the technique that I used in this video was the crinkle one. You can call it crinkle or scrunch, I'm not sure. But yeah, you basically just like scrunch all of the material like I'm doing right here. And the good thing about this is that it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Now we're gonna mix our little dye with water. So we're just gonna open it up, get our cup, get some water, and just pour it in there.
So it looks super dark. We're just gonna mix it.
So that's what it looks like. It looks so dark. So I really don't want dark colors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually get another cup. I'm gonna get another cup, dump like half of it. I want it more like a pastel color, so I'm gonna keep like a fourth of it. And then, and this, we need to put it away because we don't want it to fucking fall anywhere. So I'm gonna put it all the way over here. And now we're gonna get more water and just dilute that color. And now we can start putting it wherever we want. Or just like kind of like putting it inside, that way like everything gets the color. So every time I get done with a shirt, I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag and just let it sit. And then I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps to all the other shirts I make. And in between each color, I'm just cleaning up the plastic bag. That way it doesn't have any color left over. So when I finished with all of them, I just let them sit for about 6 hours. Then I rinsed all of them out and I let them air dry for a little and then put them all in the dryer. Okay, diles hola. Ah. Okay, pues diles bye. Ok, otra vez bye. camisa. Wow. Okay, guys, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.